Welcome back to LoyalTV. We're in the territorial capital to clear the smoke about the history of one of its first factories. According to the 1900 census, the Oklahoma Territory included 17 cigar manufacturers. This included the Trabend Cigar Factory on 205 West Oklahoma Avenue, right in the heart of Guthrie, Oklahoma. It was founded by Adam Trabend and his wife, Kate, in 1889 and competed with the town's two other cigar rolling operations, John Samsel's Harmony Cigar and the New York Cigar Factory, operated by I. Siegel. All told, these manufacturers employed nearly 50 townsfolk. At the time, traditional business models were that factory owners would provide the tobacco, while journeyman cigar rollers provided their tools and techniques. And having a good cigar rolling touch was the key to success. The 1910 Review of Industrial and Commercial Guthrie, a century-old guide, praises Adam Trabend.
He employs a number of expert cigar makers, and his tobaccos are carefully selected by himself. He knows what a good cigar is and has thousands of customers who want the best and know that he can supply them.
While Guthrie was producing the perfect smoke, Samuel Gompers, a cigar manufacturer in New York and founder of the American Federation of Labor, fought to organize the industry. They demanded increased wages, better working conditions, and a block against cheap foreign labor. On November 10, 1900, Trabend workers officially went on strike. And though ownership was initially concerned, the union rate was quickly established at the factory. Thanks to the Industrial Revolution and subsequent labor movement, America began rolling again towards progress, and the quality of life for early pioneers began to improve. But unfortunately, the 1920s ushered in a new trend: cigarettes. And the addictive new fashion accessory was the downfall of small-town cigar factories. While the bright red embers of the territorial industry turned to ash, the tantalizing aroma of progress lingered in the air. Please join us on the next episode of LoyalTV, where we share the best Oklahoma stories you've never heard.